What's up guys, this is Dennis with Luke Zion Jewelry. Thank you so much for tuning in today. In this video, not only am I going to be doing an unboxing of this monster mini box, but I'm going to be doing a giveaway which I'm really excited about. And so I did purchase some 2022 Canadian maple leaves. I'm excited to show you guys the detail of this coin. It's very beautiful. It's a very beautiful design and coin, and so let's go ahead and dive right in. Another thing guys is if you haven't already hit the like button, make sure you hit the like button. It really helps me out if you do that when it comes to the YouTube algorithm. Join the algorithm wave with me. Put a wave emoji in the comments below if you have already hit the like button. Thank you guys in advance for doing that. So let's go ahead and move on. All right guys, so as I continue to unbox these beautiful coins here, let's talk about the monster box. Guys, this is actually a mini monster box. As some of you guys know, the monster box are usually 500 ounces and this one is just 100. In the future, I'm hoping as the business continues to grow, buy a 500 ounce monster box. That would be amazing to do an unboxing of it and to give you guys some of those coins there. Meanwhile, I got a mini monster box. It's just 100 ounces. It's still cool. It's still amazing to unbox. You still get that jittery feeling just when you receive it in the mail and you just want to open it up. And so I'm excited to give these away to you guys. And so let's go ahead and take a look at this coin here. So as you can see here, we got 4 tubes and each tube has 25 equaling 100 ounces. So when you open up the coin here, you can see Queen Elizabeth, you can see the 2022, and on the flip side you get to see the amazing design of this coin, which is the Canadian maple leaf. If you take a look at all the security features of this coin, all the rays on the side, the way that it's actually stamped, you can kind of see the leaf just pop out opposed to the background. And if you turn around the coin, you can actually see all those little lines. It gives it that extra shine. So again, these coins are actually 1 troy ounce to be exact, and so just keep in mind that 1 ounce compared to 1 troy ounce is different, right? It's not a huge difference, but there is a difference when it comes to silver bullion. Okay, again guys, this is pure silver. They're shipped over from Canada. I believe here that this company that I purchased from, they make it into their own mini monster box, which is pretty smart in my opinion what they're doing here. It's pretty cool, and it not only is it cool, but it's fun. It's fun for the consumer opening it up. And so as you can see here guys, these are 99949 silver here. It says fine silver 1 ounce, and it says Canada on the top. And as you can see here, it says Elizabeth 2, $5 2022. Okay, all right guys, so let's just jump right into the giveaway. There's no right answer or wrong answer, so the question is very simple. All you have to do is answer this question in the comments below and put your state that you live in. Again, I'm doing these giveaways for those that live in the United States only. I'm not doing it international right now. So the question is, what do you think about silver bullion? Whatever shape or form the silver bullion is, what do you guys think about it? There's no right or wrong answer when it comes to this. Do you like it to wear it as a pendant? Do you like it for investment purposes? Do you think about it with inflation? What do you guys think? What do you guys think about silver bullion? Why do you guys like it? Also on the flip side, why you don't like it? Why you don't like silver bullion? Either or, you like it or you don't like it. Give me some type of feedback as to why you like it or you don't like it. Don't just put I like it or I don't like it and then just put your stake. Just give me a sentence or two letting me know why you like silver bullion. I am going to be reading all of those guys. Again, I am going to be making some more silver bullion content, more silver bullion giveaways, and sterling silver jewelry giveaways. So guys, go check out my Instagram. Go follow me on Instagram. I'm going to be doing some giveaways there as well. And so I am going to be announcing the giveaway winner in the description below. I am putting a date that I'm going to announce it. I'm going to reply back to the winner on the comments below. And so just for those that are participating, just be on the lookout on that day. I am going to comment for the winner there. I'm going to be verifying a few things just to make sure that you are actually the winner and that you are the account holder of that account. And so with that being said, guys, I just want to say thank you for watching this video. If you haven't already, hit the like button again, and also put a wave emoji. If you hit the like button, it's letting me know that you like this video. And guys, thank you so much. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.